Hello, Carol here. We're welcoming Therese as a new yogi for the Bottoms Down community. We're so glad to have her join us today. So everyone, enjoy this chair yoga class with Therese.
Hello and welcome to Bottoms Down Chair Yoga for Everyone. I'm Therese. I'm glad you've joined our community. Check out the Bottoms Down YouTube channel homepage for easy access to videos about the body area you want to work on. Or you can look at my YouTube channel, theresehauk.com. There are videos that will cater to the amount of time you have for your yoga practice today. Or if you want to stay seated, or standing. If you haven't already, please click that little subscribe button and make sure you know that this is all free. We'd love to hear from you as well, so please leave a comment. In today's practice, we're going to explore poses that work on our legs. You'll only need a chair for today's class. Let's get started. Sit back in your chair. Close your eyes. Slow your breath. Deepen. Feel air moving to the very bases of your lungs as you inhale. And you're slowing your exhale. Your goal is actually to make your exhale a little bit longer than your inhale. With this deep breath, you should feel the body relaxing, calming. You should feel your belly moving a little bit as you breathe as well. Expanding outward as you inhale and pulling in as you exhale. Once you've found that good slow rhythm of breath, let's add movement. So scoot your hips forward in your chair. Let's bring our ears above shoulders, shoulders above hips, creating that nice long line from the crown of your head to your tailbone. We're going to add a little bit of seated cat-cow movement. As you bring your chest forward, lift your chin, breathe in. As you exhale, pull the belly back, round the chin into the chest. Continue. Unfolding, lengthening, lifting as you come forward. And then rounding back. Wonderful whole spine movement, warming the spine, lubricating all of those vertebrae to get ready for some more intense movement. Now come to center. Let's move the rib cage around our hips. Exhaling as you circle forward. Inhale as you circle back. See how big you can make that circle. Good. Let's go the other way. This is just a wonderful way to warm up the spine. Should feel really good. Good. Come to center. Sitting up straight and tall again. Go ahead and intertwine your fingers underneath your right thigh and pick up your right leg. So as you lift that leg off the floor, I want you to keep your spine straight and tall. Circle the ankle. That's it. Go the other way. Flex your foot. And now extend the leg, pushing the heel away from you. Inhale, pull the heel into your body. Exhale, extend. Inhale, pull in. Exhale, extend. One more time, pull in. This time, extend and hold. Hold it here. Hold it. Here's your challenge. Ready? Let go. 3, 2, 1. Foot down. Good. Let's do the other leg. Lift the leg up. Sit up straight. Ankle circles. Other way. So these are big circles, as big as you can make them. And I like to think about your big toe outlining a circle in the sky. Flex the foot. Extend the leg. Push the heel. Bend the knee. Exhale. Extend. Inhale. Pull the knee in. One more time. Extend. Pull in. Okay, this time we're going to extend and hold. Hold it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let go. You got it. Good. Release. Nice work. Let's grab a drink of water. All right, scoot forward on your chair. And let's take our right ankle bone and move it to the right thigh. If this is not quite available for you, just put the ankle bone on your shin, kind of extending the leg here. Move your knee up and down, flexing the right foot to protect the right knee. Breathe in and extend the spine. And as you exhale, bring the chest forward to find that incredible stretch in the outer thigh, into the glute. This is an excellent sciatic stretch if you have sciatic issues. With stretching, we just want to stay in that spot where we feel the tug, feel the stretch. Stay there. It should not be excruciating. Breath holding, no. You move to the spot where you feel it, you stay there, and you breathe. Ideally, when you're doing deep stretching like this, you want to stay for about a minute. And then as you remain, you might notice that you feel a little bit of a release. And then you can come a little bit deeper. Inhale, lift up. We're going to take the same leg and swing it to the side, turning your body to the side of the room. Bring your elbows to your front thigh. And I want you to move this foot back as far as you can. Ideally, if you can straighten that back knee. It's okay if it's not, but as far back as you can get it. So you might be feeling a pretty powerful stretch in your quad and hip flexor right here. We're going to increase a little bit by bringing your hands to your front thigh and pressing the torso up. Ooh, yeah. There it is. Now take your right hand and reach forward. Reach, reach, reach. As you breathe in, lift the arm up. As you breathe out, big circle around, sweep through. Let's do that again. Inhale, lift. Exhale, circle. One more. Breathe in and lift. Breathe out, sweep. Inhale, lift, and hold this time. So you can stay right here. A little more. Lift the other arm straight up. A little more. Lift your chin. And then if it's available for you, see if you can reach your arms back. Ah, wonderful stretch. Hands to thigh. Bend your back knee. Turn and face me. And let's do the other side. So ankle bone on thigh. Remember, this is your option. Or here. Move that knee a little bit. Flex the foot. Inhale. Lengthen your spine. Flat back comes forward. Ah, there it is. Yes, right here. Deep breath. Stay with it. Maybe sinking a little deeper as you feel that release. Good. Breathe in, rise up. Left leg moves behind you as you turn your body. So your right cheek is on the chair, left cheek is off. Elbows to thigh, wiggle, jiggle, get that foot back as far as it will go. Maybe the knee is straight. Hands to front thigh. You might be here. As best you can, lifting, really deepening the stretch. Left arm comes forward. Breathe in, reach up. Breathe out, big circle through. Again, inhale, lift. Exhale, sweep. One more. Breathe in, lift. Breathe out, big circle. Lift and hold. Maybe your other arm. Maybe looking up at your hands. Final challenge, reaching back. Opening your heart. Good. Tuck your chin, hands lower. Slowly get out of that. Face me. Let's do some shoulder circles. Big, delicious shoulder circles. Slow. Breathing in as your shoulders come forward and back. Breathing out as they move back and down. Let's do one more. Hands to heart center. As you inhale, draw your elbows together. Open your fingers like a lotus blossom. As you exhale, curl the fingers down. Backs of the hands together, chin lowers. Breathing in, unfold, open. Breathe out, invert. One more. Good. Heart center. Let's sit back in our chair. We've slowly been moving to our final relaxation. So you're sitting back in your chair. Close your eyes. Moving back to your deep breath, just the way you started class. Slowing everything down. Relaxing. Let's open our eyes. Lift your back away from the back of the chair. Hands move to heart center. Thank yourself for working hard today. practicing health. And I thank you. Namaste.